Every story of long life has some ups and downs, and periods where it's booming and people are getting along, and other periods where they're going through some war or some tragedy or some succession malfunction, and there are divisions. Every story of long life has some of that. By now, it's close to 600 families that we've worked with over these years. And one of the things that we've seen over time is that family councils hit plateaus. They get really good at some things, and then they plateau out. And some of the momentum that they felt in the early days and some of the innovative things that they were doing and trying start to slow down. So mature family councils need some attention. That's what this program is intending to address. They need ways to boost their meetings, their contributions to a new level, and we have a lot to say about that. Family councils often regard themselves as a support mechanism for good family functioning. You are. But you're also a leadership group. Many family councils stop. They stall out or they plateau before they establish themselves as a real leadership group in the family. And we're going to be addressing this.